What's up, YouTube, man? It's Pronto Car Care here today with another do-it-yourself video. We're working on my 2007 Ford Mustang. I'm going to switch out these headlights here for a brand new pair of headlights. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. What I have here is a pair of headlights I got off Amazon for 80 bucks. Brand new, black smoke gray. Still in the package, brand new. We're gonna put these in and see how they turn out. First, what you want to do is remove your radiator cover here. Mine's missing some screws I gotta replace, but it should be one here, 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 and here. Next, we got two 10mm bolts here, right above the headlight, and here. So we're gonna remove both of those. Now we have those removed, we're gonna set those to the side. Next, we're gonna remove these three Phillip heads that's holding the front bumper. We got 1, 2, and 3 back there. And the same for the other side. This for the first side, and these are for my driver's side. All 6 here, we're gonna set these to the side. I'm on the driver's side, and I remove my rain guard out the way, and I unplug my 2 headlights. My bottom lights here, they came right up out of there. This one is just a twist and it comes right out. There's a tab on here that I pushed, and this one came out of this socket right there. Once you remove these flaps, you're gonna have 2 bolts here. This one and this one. This will have your bumper come on. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. After you got those bolts off on the other side, this is the passenger side. Pull down to release it from the bolts here. Then you pull out. There we go. There's our front bumper. Now that I got my bumper off, I'm gonna take off these 3 bolts. They're all 10mm. That one, one up top. And then the light will come right out. I got all 3 bolts out. I got a plastic fastener here. Get that off. And the headlight pops off. And I'm gonna unhook this and do the same for the other side. Now I just installed a new one. Same way I took the old one off. We're gonna do the same to the other side. So I'll place the bumper back on. I haven't tightened those screws yet. You're gonna put back on your 2 bolts you have here. Right back there. Once you get those 2 on, you can put your 3 Phillips heads back on this guard. Make sure this is lined up here, all the way down to here. That's lined up. Do the same thing on this side. We'll put our bolts back in up here, our 2 bolts here, our lights and our connector there, and then we can put the guard back on. Everything nice and tight here. We have everything back in nice and tight. Everything's nice and tight. Guards on. Put our 2 bolts in here, and then got those 10mm back in wherever they need to be. Now I'm putting our radiator cover back on. This is our finished product here. That's how it looks with the new headlights in there. And there we go. Yep, that's Pronto Car Care. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. I got a lot more content coming on the way with many different cars, more do-it-yourselves. I thank you for watching, and till next time, peace.